Hi, welcome back to Java tutorial. In the last tutorial, we have seen data types and what are the primitive and non-primitive data types. In this tutorial, you will see some coding examples for primitive data types. Let's declare a variable byte called 20. So we miss the semicolon. It immediately throws the compile time error. Next, if I give b equal to 20,000, it immediately throws compile time error. Because the byte range is very small, so the system suggesting use integer instead of byte. Before going further, let's have the main method first and keep the code over there. Let's print the C value here. Now let's run the code. You can see the C value now. You can see the C value here. So what if I change the type here? Let's see. It still accepts, but the output is giving in float type, means fractional value. So suppose we'll give the again one more integer. Can you see now? Because we gave here as float, it's not accepting now. It's expecting please provide float data type. So now we understand there is a problem here. So give back as a float, then it's okay. Let's run the code and give E here and let's run. We got the output. Suppose boolean my bool equal to true. If you print my bool, then it prints true here. This is some simple example for boolean. Let's go over for string now. In string we can take the text, but it should be in double quotations. Let's run the code again. You see that now the text is printing. Now let's see the character. Character my letter equal to suppose B. It prints the D here. What if we give the double quotation? Let's see. Because if you give the double quotation, it automatically thinks as a string. That's why it's throwing the error. When you are dealing with char data types, you should be very careful. Give the single quotations. Let's also declare some float values here. Look here, if you are giving as a 10 whole number for the float, still it understands as 10.00. That's why it's not throwing the error. It is also equivalent to this now. Whatever you are giving, it's understanding. But if you change something here for integer, it throws the compile time error, so you need to change the data type. Now let's do some comparisons. These examples we will see more once we discussed about the topic called operators. Just for time being, I am showing some examples now. We have A and B here, so A is 20 and B is 20,000. It prints the boolean now. A is smaller than B, that's why boolean means true or false. Here A is smaller than B, that's why it's printing false. Please don't confuse here. The first row is came from the data type here, and the second one is from the comparison. That's all for today video, guys. Don't forget to practice more and more examples. That gives you more confidence and understanding. I hope you enjoy watching my tutorial. See you in my next video.